Hello students, now we are going to learn about the volume and the density. What is the volume? Volume of a solid is the amount of space inside the solid. Let us consider the cylinder. If we were to fill the cylinder with the water, the volume would be the amount of water inside the cylinder. Cylinder மூணாவது how the space surface area or the third dimension area அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Space occupied by the three-dimensional object is known as volume. How will you measure the volume? We can measure the volume by using the SI unit called cubic centimeter. Let us consider a cube which measures 1 centimeter in all the direction. So it has three dimensions only. So 3 direction means 3 centimeter, 1 to 1 to 1 centimeter. So 3 centimeter. We can say that cubic centimeters. So volume can also be calculated by multiplying surface area into height. We can also calculate volume for regular, irregular shaped objects and also for liquids. Now let us going to discuss about the volume of regularly shaped objects like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, etc. Cube. A cube. Cuboid formula L into breadth, length into breadth into height. Spheres 4/3 pi r cube. Cylinder pi r square h. I already posted the links how these formulas are derived for the mathematical uses. These objects are used to calculate the square centimeters, areas, height எல்லாமே நம்ம calculate பண்றதுக்கு இந்த regular objects use ஆகுது. We can also calculate the volume of liquid by using the known already measuring jars. இது நம்ம day to day life we can see in ration shops, milkman. நம்ம வீட்லயே யூடியூப் வீடியோஸ்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெஷரிங் ஜார்ஸ் வச்சு நமக்கு தண்ணி அளந்து எப்படி ஊற்றுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ ஃப்ரம் த known quantity of volume we can able to find on the unknown quantity of the volumes. ஸோ மெஷரிங் ஜார்ஸ் வச்சு நம்ம லிக்விட்ஸ் வந்து மெஷர் பண்ண முடியும். We can also measure by using the irregularly shaped objects by using this liquids. இந்த PPT பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். This method is called water displacement method. Let us take 2 jars. Once first you noted the water level, then you put the stone inside the water, then you noted the water level. That level is called L2. When you minus the L2 from L1, you get the value. That value is called the volume of the stone. By using this method, you can able to see them. You can able to measure the volume of irregularly shaped objects. In your book, you can see this in the page number 5, activity 3. Now you can see the different shapes of the objects with the different volumes. Now we are going to discuss about the density, an important matter in the physics. What is meant by density? So density is nothing but the lightness or heaviness of a body it forms the density. If more mass is packed into some volume, it has a greater density. If a lesser mass is packed into some volume, it has lesser density. So density of a substance is defined as the mass of a substance contained in a unit volume. நம்ம டென்சிட்டி அப்படின்னா அடர்த்தி அப்படின்னு எடுக்கும்பொழுது அதுக்குள்ளே எவ்வளோ இறுக்கமாக அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்கக்கூடிய மாலிகுல்ஸ் எவ்வளோ இறுக்கமாக இருக்கோ அல்லது எவ்வளோ லூஸ்லி பேக்டாக இருக்குன்னு வச்சு தான் நம்ம வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவோம் we call them as a density, that is crowdness. We can calculate the density by using the formula mass and the volume. ஏன்னா நம்ம டென்சிட்டின்னு சொல்லும் போது டெஃபினட்டாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அது எவ்வளோ வெயிட் மாஸ் இருக்குது, அது உள்ளே எவ்வளோ பேக் ஆகிருக்குது மாலிக்யூல்ஸ், அதே மாதிரி அது எவ்வளோ இடத்த பிடிக்குது அப்படின்றத நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ we can calculate the density by using the formula D is equal to mass by volume. The SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. You can also calculate density for different substances. There is a equal relationship between mass, density and volume. It is represented here in the triangle. Density, you can calculate density by dividing mass by volume. We can calculate mass by multiplying density with the volume, and at the same time we can calculate the volume by dividing mass by density. This is very important triangle, student. You should remember this in your lifetime, because many of they can ask in the entrance examination the small problems by converting these dimensions. Thank you, students.